Welcome to Expert Viewpoints, Career Journey in Business Analysis. In this video, experts will explore pivotal moments in their career journeys as business analysts, sharing how these experiences shaped their professional growth. They will discuss the essential skills and experiences required for success in a business analysis career, providing insights into how they acquired these competencies throughout their journeys.
There have been some pivotal moments that really shaped who I am today. One standout moment was when I led a cross-functional team during a major system upgrade. It was challenging, but also super rewarding. I learned how important it is to engage stakeholders upfront. You want to get everyone on board from the start so you can gather diverse perspectives. Plus, managing unexpected challenges taught me to adapt quickly and think on my feet.
I am a long-term project manager. I quickly learned that a business analyst plays a valuable role in performing needs assessments, working closely with key stakeholders to determine current and future states, developing viable solution options and recommendations, facilitating product roadmap development, and assembling business cases that are reviewed and approved by executive management levels. These activities lead to development of a project charter that is then managed by the project manager. This acknowledgement led me to augment my skills by achieving a professional business analyst certification through the Project Management Institute.
I believe that the crucial moment in my journey was when I managed to join all the technical knowledge I had gained in my career with learning about the business I was working in. When I managed to have a good technical base with deep of a business, I began to notice a different quality of the project I was delivering, and I started to work more focused on meeting my client needs rather than developing a beautiful problem that they didn't need.
It's quite common career path, and it refers to myself as well, that someone has a degree in economics, but the popularity of the IT industry attracts him to a developer role. I also started as a BI developer, but after 2 years, I felt that the requirement gathering and the communication with business was more appealing to me compared to the time spent with hardcore script coding. That was the point when I decided I want to dedicate my career to the business analyst role, which is a bridge between business side and developer side in communication and also in skill sets.
My career as a business analyst has been shaped by several pivotal moments, starting with my first major project where I had to redesign a complex business process. It taught me the value of clear communication and thorough requirement gathering. Over time, I developed skills in data analysis and stakeholder management, which were crucial during a challenging project that required aligning multiple departments' objectives. Keeping up with industry trends such as digital transformation has enabled me to adapt and innovate, establishing myself as a key contributor to project success.
What skills and experiences do you believe are essential for someone to succeed in a business analysis career, and how do you acquire them throughout your journey?
A good business analyst should seek out technical knowledge and certifications in the main technologies. I recommend to get to know cloud providers because I believe this is a market that still has a lot of room for growth. You should also study agile methodologies to develop delivery skills based on customer needs. Finally, try to develop your communication skills to have a good connection between the business and the technical area.
A business analyst must be able to determine an elicitation approach that will result in SMART requirements. And we all know what SMART stands for: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and timely. They must identify the stakeholders' needs, prepare for elicitation, conduct the elicitation, and confirm the elicitation results. To be honest, I did not acquire these skills overnight. My best advice is to observe other key managers when they facilitate and communicate. Perform a retrospective. What went well, and how can effectiveness be improved? And always remember that practice makes perfect. Becoming a successful facilitator and communicator takes time. Be patient with the process. Be patient with yourself.
The most important attribute of the business analyst, if want to succeed, is the proactivity. In my experience, almost all project team members, developers, architects, Scrum Master, project manager, all can be successful in their role with reactive behavior, reflecting promptly and appropriately to the push they receive from stakeholders or the project team members. But this is not true for the business analyst, to whom sometimes no pressure happens, so has to be the ignition to enhance efficiency of the business process or motivate team members without external stimulation.
Strong analytical abilities are key. They help you sift through data to identify trends or insights that inform decisions. Familiarity with project management methodologies like Agile is also beneficial. It gives you a structured approach to managing projects effectively. Plus, gaining experiences across different business areas provides broader insights into unique, challenging opportunities that companies face. Networking with others in the field can offer valuable insights too.
To succeed in business analysis, strong analytical skill, effective communication, and problem-solving abilities are very essential. I acquired this through hands-on experience in diverse projects and continuous learning. I recommend aspiring analysts pursue relevant education like a degree in business or IT and obtain certifications like CBAP. Networking with peers and mentors can also provide valuable insights. Embracing continuous learning through courses and industry events has helped me to stay competitive and responsive to the latest methodologies.